Google Chrome browsing tips number 3. Download any PDF for free. All you need to do is that you need to remember this simple syntax. The syntax is inverted comma, whatever the book name or topic we have, and then you have to suffix with file type colon PDF, and you will get the result directly and very fast. Let's learn. And I'm gonna demonstrate 7 different examples of different topic. Let's start with the first one, atomic habit. I'm just going to browser, just type it here and hit enter. You see that the very first book, you get this as a PDF and you will be able to download if you wish to, and you will be able to read and all that online, right? So let's go to the next one, Working with Emotional Intelligence by Daniel Goleman, right? Once again, I'm going to do the same thing. Here, I'm going to replace and hit enter. And you get the Daniel Goleman Emotional Intelligence with Working with Emotional Intelligence, right? You get the PDF copy. Let's go with the third example. And storytelling with data, very famous book it is. And all you can do is that again, once again, I'm just using the same syntax, hitting enter, and you get this in a book right away available, right? And then fourth example, Microsoft Power BI. Let's see whether we can get it. And you can just enter, and you're directly getting directly from the Microsoft as a PDF. You'll be able to download and have it, right? And let's go to the next example, MS Excel. Okay, just enter and you're getting it directly the PDF copy. Okay, and you're getting directly for PDF copy, right? You can just, if some cases, if you're not getting it, and you may just remove it and enter it. For example, tips. So maybe I will just give like this. You will get it, yeah, basic one. And again, once again, you're getting the PDF copy. Similarly, learn statistic. Just enter here, and even you can learn a statistic. Very nice book it is. So you will be able to have a PDF. Once again, you will be able to download and all the things. Once again, very nice book it is. And then lastly, I'm gonna demonstrate learning spoken English, right? So I have just copied it, going back, just pasting it here, and you're directly getting this result, and you have the PDF copy also as well. I hope you find it useful, and this is browser tips number 3. More to follow. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel. You have a wonderful day ahead.